The European Commission called for an unprecedented 7.5 billion euros cut in European funding for Hungary because of persistent rule of law and corruption worries. This is the first time that Brussels is applying the so-called rule of law mechanism, a new tool allowing it to withhold funding when systemic risk of misuse and corruption are found in a member state.
The Commission's assessment is that a risk for the budget at this stage remains. Therefore, we cannot conclude that the EU budget is sufficiently protected. The Commission proposes a suspension of 65% of the commitments for 3 operational programmes under cohesion policy, amounting to an estimated amount of 7.5 billion euro.
This means Hungary could lose 20% of its European funds over the next 7 years. But Hungary can still reverse the punishment if they answer the Commission's concerns in the next 2 months. One German MEP told Euronews the announced measures are not enough.
Well, they should have frozen all the EU funds for now, because we know that all programs, all budget lines are targets of corruption of Orban, his friends and family. And then, of course, what we need is an ambitious plan to repair the rule of law, to repair the spending of money in Hungary so that there is no more corruption.
The government of Viktor Orban is facing a fierce debate over the misuse of EU funds and the backsliding of democracy over the past decade. But now, with the economy in a downturn, the government in Budapest is in a desperate need of EU finances. The Hungarian government is willing to do everything to have these European funds released. For example, as of Monday, they will start to present new anti-corruption laws in the Hungarian parliament, and they are hoping to get a deal with Brussels later this year. Sándor Zsíros, Euronews, Brussels.